Hello everyone, my name is Alex Eji and I will be presenting on the week 2 assignment. That's we are to build a system that employees can use to send a leave request to their managers, and then their managers will get notification for them to review this request and either approve or reject this request. So for this workflow, I use Airtable for this workflow. So I have three main tables for this workflow. So the first table is the employee table, which stores the details of the employees. So their name, department, the leave request they've made so far, and then the manager that they work under. Their emails are also here. Yeah, so that's for the employees table. And then I also have a table for the managers, which stores the managers' information, the manager name, their email, and then the employees that have been assigned to this manager. Then the last table is the leave request table. So this table holds all the requests being made by employees. So you can have the request ID, the employee that made the request, the start date, the end date, the number of days being requested by the employee, and then the request status, either approved or rejected. And then default is I set it to pending. That's when the manager has not acted on it. Okay, so that's it for the tables. And for this workflow to work, I have various automation that triggers when an action is being performed. Yeah, so the first automation I have is the leave request. So what this trigger that when a record is created, that's when the employee sends a request. Yes, so what this one does is send an email to the manager, to the employee's manager. Yes, so I've drafted a message here. Hey manager, a new leave request has been submitted. And then the employee that submitted and have his details here for the manager to review and either approve or reject. So that's what this first automation is doing, or first trigger is doing. I also have the second one, which works based on the update from the manager. So either the manager approve or reject. So another mail will be sent to the employee that made that request. So hello employee, your leave request starting this day to this day has either been approved or authorized, or approved or rejected. Yeah, and then the manager's comments to show here. So that's it for this trigger. Another one is the one I use to update the employee's leave balance. So this one only activates when the request status is approved. Yeah, so when it's approved, I find the record and then I update the employee's leave balance. So I subtract the number of days he has requested from his or her total balance. Yes, so that's what this trigger does. And for visibility, I also built a dashboard for all the leave requests. You can see them here. So far I have just one here which is approved, and if you click on this you can also view the details of the request here. Yeah, okay, that's for the dashboard. I also have the approval screen for the manager to approve. That so far I have no records here. Yes, so and this is the screen for the employee to use to make their request. So let's say I select an employee. This is the number of days. and then I type something here. Okay, submit. So what this one going to do is our automation is going to send an email to the manager. Let's see. Yes, so this is the message. Hey manager, a new request has been submitted, and this employee that made the request. So if you go to the dashboard now, we should have two here. Yes, one pending, then one approved. Yes, so you can also view the details of the new request which is pending approval here. Okay. Yeah, basically this is how this thing works. You can go ahead and change the status to approve, and then another mail will be sent to the employee whether it was rejected or approved. Thank you.